and joy ran after joy. Among the nations they said, the Lord has done great things. Yes, the Lord has done great things for us. And we rejoice, we sing.
Restore us, Lord, like streams that flow through desert lands. Those who sow in tears shall reap with joy in their hands.
They go out weeping, bearing seed. They'll come again with song, bringing sheaves of golden hope. Your mercies ever strong. Those who sow in tears of sorrow shall reap with songs of pure delight. Through desert winds, new rivers follow, turning the dark to golden light. The Lord has done great things, we sing, and joy shall crown our offering. Restore us, Lord, like shining streams flowing through the fields of dreams. Those who sow in tears shall reap with joy the harvest heap. Bright is your hand, O Lord of grace. You turn our mourning to embrace. Forevermore your love shall stay. Our joy shall not decay.
Zion awakes, her voice ascending, harps resound with new refrain. The dawn of peace, the night is ending. Songs of freedom fill the plain. The Lord has done great things, we say. His light has crowned our day.
Restore us, Lord, and let us see the streams of grace eternally. From tears to joy, from loss to song, your faith has led